Hello Bank is an online platform offering various financial services and products like any banking institution. Hello Bank comes with both advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will delve into these pros and cons, along with the registration method and how to obtain your bank card. Convenience stands out as a primary advantage of Hello Bank, functioning as an online banking platform that enables customers to access their accounts and manage their financial affairs with ease at any time and from any location. This inherent flexibility removes the need for physical bank branch visits, ultimately saving both time and effort. Availability is key as Hello Bank offers convenient access to all its banking services. Opening a Hello Bank account is a simple process, often needing minimal documents. Moreover, Hello Bank's digital platforms are intuitively designed for user convenience, allowing customers to effortlessly explore a wide array of banking functionalities. The bank provides competitive products and services, encompassing a diverse selection of financial offerings, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and investment avenues. Furthermore, clients have the flexibility to select from a diverse range of options, each tailored to their distinct requirements and financial aspirations. Hello Bank provides a comprehensive mobile banking application, enabling customers to effortlessly conduct transactions, check balances, and access banking services directly from their smartphones or tablets, enhancing their financial management on the go. The app typically includes features like bill pay, fund transfers, and mobile deposit, which enhances the overall banking experience. Customer support is another benefit. Hello Bank typically provides customer assistance via different channels, such as phone, email, and live chat. This enables customers to promptly get help or resolve any issues they might encounter with their accounts or transactions. However, concerning Hello Bank's drawbacks, there is a limited physical branch presence. The exclusive digital bank model of Hello Bank means it lacks an actual physical branch network. While this might be quite convenient for many customers, those who prefer direct face-to-face interaction or require personalized banking services may find this aspect to be quite restrictive. Physical branches can offer services like cash deposits, specialized consultations, and assistance with complex transactions. Hello Bank, as an online banking platform, places significant reliance on technology. Even though digital advancements bring convenience, there's always a potential risk of technical errors, system failure, or various cyber threats. Customers must be informed about these potential risks and implement suitable precautions to safeguard their banking activities conducted online. Cash deposits and withdrawals. Due to Hello Bank's digital-only model, depositing or withdrawing cash might not be as seamless as with conventional banks that maintain physical branches. Customers might need to depend on participating ATMs and utilize alternative banking channels for transactions involving cash, which could incur additional fees or specific limitations. Limited and impersonal service. As an online banking platform, Hello Bank may offer restricted opportunities for personalized service and direct in-person interaction with banking professionals. However, this might not pose a significant concern for clients who favor self-service banking and managing their finances independently. However, individuals who require specialized consultation or those who prefer a more personal touch within their banking relationships might perceive this aspect as insufficient or deficient. To register for Hello Bank, simply go to the bank's website. You'll then see two choices for individual accounts, Hello Prime and Hello One. Select Hello One, then click on the button located at the bottom left. You will find the cards that you will receive upon registration through Hello One. Just click on them. Enter the required information and choose the options that work best for you. Next, you will proceed to the following step, where you will choose to open a Hello One account. For the third step, you'll need to authenticate your account by having a code dispatched to either your email address or your mobile phone number. In the fourth step, you're required to verify your account using your passport, and it's essential that your passport remains valid. You also need to confirm your address using a water or electricity bill. After that, you'll need to wait for an acceptance email. Subsequently, your bank card will be delivered along with an activation code. You must activate it through the website before you can start using it. The Hello Bank card is a multi-purpose financial tool that offers convenience, security, and flexibility to its users. As a modern banking solution, the Hello Bank card offers a range of advantages and features specifically designed to improve your banking experience. A key benefit of the Hello Bank card is its wide acceptance. Whether you are making purchases in physical stores, conducting transactions online, or even traveling internationally, this card enjoys widespread recognition. It can be conveniently utilized at millions of establishments across the globe. This makes the Hello Bank card an incredibly convenient payment method for your daily transactions, ensuring that you can easily access your funds at any time and in any location you require. In addition to its wide acceptance, the Hello Bank card includes advanced security features to protect your financial transactions. With integrated chip technology and PIN verification, the card offers enhanced protection against fraud and unauthorized use. This provides you with peace of mind, knowing your transactions are secure, whether you are making purchases in person or on the internet. Moreover, the Hello Bank card may include extra features such as a contactless payment function, enabling you to conduct swift, seamless transactions by simply tapping your card on any compatible payment device that supports this technology. Hello Bank offers advantages like convenience, availability, competitive products, and mobile banking. Nevertheless, clients must also weigh the restrictions associated with online banking, such as the absence of brick-and-mortar branches, the possibility of technical malfunctions, and the provision of restricted personalized services. Thus, it's crucial for you to provide your distinct banking preferences and requirements to determine if Hello Bank's services are a good fit for them.